Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Does your face get hot? Do you worry people will laugh at your mistakes? You are not alone. Many learners feel shy when they speak. But today, we are going to practice together, slowly and calmly. No pressure, no fear. Just you, me, and simple English practice. This is a safe space for your voice. If you are walking, just listen and let the words wash over you. If you are resting at home, you can repeat quietly or just in your head. There is no right or wrong here. We will move slowly. We will practice real sentences you can use today. And we will talk about why shyness happens and how to feel calmer when you speak. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. First, let's understand why speaking feels scary. When you speak English, your brain is working very hard. You are thinking about words, grammar, pronunciation, and the person listening. That is a lot of work. Your body feels this stress. Your heart beats faster. Your hands feel cold. This is normal. It does not mean you are bad at English. It means you care, and caring is good. But here's the truth. The more you speak, even a little bit, the easier it gets. Your brain needs practice, not perfection. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is. Every time you say one sentence out loud, you are training your brain. You are telling your body, this is safe. I can do this. So let's practice something simple right now. I will say a sentence. You just listen first. Then I will say it again, and you can repeat it with me or after me. If you need more time, pause the audio. No rush. Listen first. I am learning English. Now say it with me. I am learning English. Good. One more time. I am learning English. You did it. That is your first sentence today. Now let's add a feeling. Listen. I feel a little shy, but I am trying. Repeat after me. I feel a little shy, but I am trying. Beautiful. You just spoke about your feelings in English. That takes courage. Let's move to something you can use in real life. Imagine you are meeting someone new. You want to say hello, but you feel nervous. Instead of staying silent, you can say something very simple. Listen to this. Hi, I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. This sentence is powerful. It tells the truth, it protects you from pressure, and most people will smile and help you. Let's practice it. Listen first. Hi, I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. Now you try. Hi, I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. Excellent. Say it again if you want. Hi, I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. You are building confidence right now. Here is another sentence you can use. Listen. Can you repeat that, please? This is so useful. When you do not understand, you do not need to pretend. Just ask. Let's practice. Can you repeat that, please? Again. Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. You stayed with it. Now let's talk about a big mistake many learners make. They wait until they feel ready. They think, I will speak English when I know more words, or I will speak when my grammar is perfect. But that day never comes, because you learn by doing, not by waiting. Think of it like this. A baby does not wait to speak perfectly. A baby says one word, then two words, then short sentences. The baby makes many mistakes, but the baby keeps trying, and slowly the baby learns. You can do the same. Start small. Speak simple sentences. Do not wait for perfect. Let me give you 3 easy actions you can do today. First, speak one English sentence out loud when you are alone. It can be about anything. I am drinking water. The sky is blue. I feel tired today. Just one sentence. Say it out loud. This trains your mouth and your confidence. Second, record your voice. I know this feels strange, but when you listen to yourself speaking English, you hear your progress. You do not need to share it with anyone. Just record one sentence on your phone. Listen to it. Then try again. You will be surprised how much you improve. Third, talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. When you cook, when you walk, when you clean your room, say what you are doing in English. I am making coffee. I am walking to the bus. I am opening the door. This is private practice. No one is listening. No one is judging. It is just you and English. Let's practice one more set of sentences together. These are for moments when you feel shy, but you want to keep speaking. Listen first. I am nervous, but I want to try. Now repeat. I am nervous, but I want to try. Good. Next one. Thank you for listening to me. You try. Thank you for listening to me. And one more. I am doing my best. Repeat. I am doing my best. You completed that practice. You should feel proud. Remember this. Shyness is not a wall. It is just a feeling. Feelings change. Every time you speak, even just a little, the shyness gets smaller. It does not disappear in one day, but it does get easier. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Before we finish, I want to give you a 7-day challenge. This is gentle and easy. You can do it while walking, before bed, or on your commute. Day 1 and 2, speak 3 simple sentences out loud when you are alone, about your day, your feelings, anything. Just 3 sentences. Day 3 and 4, record yourself saying 5 sentences. Listen to your voice. Do not judge it, just notice it. Day 5, 6, and 7, try to speak English to one person even for 30 seconds. It can be online, in a shop, or on a language app. Use the sentences we practiced today. If you feel shy, that's okay. Just try. Thank you for being here with me today. You chose to practice. You chose to listen. You chose to try. That is real progress. Keep going, one sentence at a time. I believe in you.